Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a restaurant in the United States, with its headquarters in Chicago. They offer a wide range of American fast food cuisine. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as McDonald's, McDonald's, Muck, Door, Nulls, McDonald's. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as McDonald's, McDonald's, Muck, Dar, Nulls, McDonald's. If you enjoyed learning about McDonald's, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.